All right, friends, it's T, and I'm back with another video, man, and it's on Mike Metzer's #1 student tells all. Let me tell you something. Mike Metzer is autistic. He was a delusional autistic steroid freak, a drug addict, okay? Fake cosmetic bodybuilder. Listen to what this guy says. He's so delusional, and I'll prove it.
Than anything you can imagine, and it's going to torture you. I didn't care about that. I don't care if I have to lift a weight just one time, but it's going to make that muscle grow. I don't care if I have to do a static repetition, sit there for 30 seconds with a heavier weight than normal, and then allow it down once it fails. I can't hold it any longer. And that workout's over on the biceps. That's what I care about. As long as it makes it grow, that's all I care.
How the fuck is that going to make that muscle grow? How the fuck is this him waving his arm up in the air going to make a muscle grow? This guy's fucking delusional. Look, man, muscle has an MND size limit, okay? So during hypertrophic process, the very first time when you come in, anytime you do any sport as an untrained athlete, the very first time you come into a gym, a swimming pool, running, climbing, whatever, MND size has a ceiling limit during hypertrophic process. It's beyond which extra myonuclei are donated by satellite cell to support further muscle growth, meaning that this thing has a myonuclear domain. Muscle cell is myonucleated. It has, and each nucleus controls transcription activity in the surrounding territory of cytoplasm called myonuclear domain size limit. In other words, that cytoplasm, that cell is overseen by the myonuclear domain size limit. The muscle cell can only get so big, and then it cannot get any bigger. You need more muscle cells. You need more muscle cells, and they get bigger. So how the fuck is this guy waving his arm up in the air? I'm gonna make it grow.
Cared about, and I already had judged super slow at that point as being insufficient, and so this guy,
How about now let's get to the next question, which is kind of progressions, because I guess you can look at the way you're doing it. If I'm going to progress in high intensity, it would simply just be
garbage. It's all garbage. It's sarcoplasmic hypertrophy anyways. These are all trained people, and they're on drugs, cosmetics, man. Listen to me. Myofibrillar, to build myofibrilars, to build real muscle, is not based on any fucking training, all right? What it's based on is injuring muscle fibers. That's all. You just injure these muscle fibers. And then the progenitor cell wakes up, enters the cell cycle. It repairs and remodels new muscle fibers. That's what it does. It splits, divides, and increases in number, okay? And then you need to eat. You need to eat a lot to build up those muscle fibers. Otherwise, they'll become apoptosis, apoptotic, okay? That's about it, man. This shit is delusional. And Mike Metzer, I don't know why, he's all over the internet. This is insane. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one, man. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Helps with the algorithm. We'll see you in the next one. There's nothing really much to talk about here. I can't stand Mike Metzer. I can't stand him. Fuck. He's so delusional. Even Arnold understood that bodybuilding is fake. The fake bodybuilding is fake, okay? He knew that. He just used it as a lever to get a career going. He didn't give a shit about it. Doesn't care about bodybuilding or anything. Doesn't care about anything. He wanted to be somebody, okay? And he used it as leverage to get there. He saw a blueprint by, I don't know, what is it, John Park or whatever the fuck that Grimmick or whatever the fuck his name was. And so he saw a magazine and he goes, oh, that's the blueprint. I need to be bodybuilder, then I can open gyms, and then I could be an actor, and I can do all these things. Yeah, you have to start small and work your way up, okay? Well, Mike Metzer, he was a delusional fucking psychopath, all right? I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, friends.